Hey, this is Jeremy Friedland here, and I am the owner of an e-commerce website in the essential oils niche. And I wanted to just give you my testimonial from my experience from the Ecom Insiders conversion workshop that Matthew and Tanner are putting on. And my store was already converting pretty decently at around 3 to 4%, which is almost double what most e-com stores convert at. But ever since going to the conversion workshop and implementing just some of the strategies that they have taught me, my store has converted as high as 9% in the last week, and averages around 5.5% to 6%. So that's up 2% and almost double what my store's average is, which means with the same amount of traffic, my income has doubled. Now, my store has done around $200,000 this year, which isn't groundbreaking or anything like that, but it's still pretty decent. And I can say without hesitation that if your store is not converting at least 3 to 4%, you need to go to this workshop and get in on whatever they're teaching you. It's going to be epic. It was for me, and life-changing and bank account changing with not much more effort. So go there, check it out. This is Jeremy Friedland, and I give it my highest recommendation. See ya.